know a curious little boy who is always asking why. Why this, why that, why then, why now? Why not, why by and by? He wants to know why woods should swim, why lead and marble sing, why stars should shine and wind should blow, and why we eat and drink. He wants to know what makes a cloud and why they cross the sky, why sings the sun behind the hills and why the flowers die. He wants to know why wine should come from out the bellows nose, why popcorn should go pop and why the ocean ebbs and flows. He wants to know why fish have gills and why boys cannot fly, why steam comes from the kettle spout and rain falls from the sky. He wants to know why coal should burn and not a bit of stone, why seeds get in the apple core and marrow in the bone. He wants to know why ice should melt, why spiders eat the flies, why bees should sting, and why the air should make the dove to rise. Some of his whys are not too hard to answer if you will try, but other no one